In today's video, we will go over how to install a Wi-Fi antenna in your BMW. This is needed if you are preparing your BMW for CarPlay or any upgrade of that sorts. If you are looking to add CarPlay to your BMW, be sure to check out our link down below as well as on the screen. In today's video, we will be using a BMW M4 as an example. However, this steps that we are about to do today is applicable for most BMWs. There's a few steps to install the Wi-Fi antenna. The only things that you are going to need is a plastic pry tool like this and a T20 bit driver. We are first going to start by removing this trim panel right here. It is held in with a few clips. To start, we will take the plastic pry tool on the corner edge of the trim. With the trim out, you will reveal a few connections. One right here, and this one right here. This one is a little tricky, but if you just pull on it, it will come out, and we can set this aside. Next, we have one more panel to remove. Plastic pry tool pulls that right off. On some cars, there is some ambient lighting plugged in. This one, it looks like it's been retrofitted, but we can just unplug it and set it aside. Next, we have 4 T20 bolts that we'll need to undo to gain access to the head unit. After the 4 screws are removed, the HVAC panel just pulls forward, revealing another connector. There's one right here. And again, depending on if you have ambient lighting in your car, there will be another one right here. With the HVAC panel removed, there's now 2 more T20 bolts that need to come out, gaining us access to the head unit. We can now remove the head unit. We have placed down a microfiber towel just to protect the trim and the rest of the car. With the radio out, you now have access to the Wi-Fi antenna. For today's video, we are going to fully remove the head unit so you have a better look at what port to plug in your Wi-Fi antenna. So here's our Wi-Fi antenna. We actually sell these on emperformance.com if you're looking for them, and it plugs right into this purple connector right here. Don't get mistaken for any of the other ones. This one says WAN on it, so that's how you know to plug it in. So we're gonna take it just plugs in, just like that. Now you can install the radio in the reverse order if you did remove it. As I mentioned, you do not need to. This was just for the video. With the Wi-Fi antenna plugged into the WAN location, we can now put back the radio. Again, this will be different on other cars, but in this case, this is the NBT EVO radio. And right here, we have the Wi-Fi antenna, and we're just going to route it below the radio. There's a nice cavity, and we will stick it right here. With the antenna plugged in and secured down to the car, it is time to put in the existing screws. Next step is the HVAC unit. If you have any sort of ambient lighting to plug back in, you should do that now. Last step for the HVAC is to plug in the main harness that supplies the information as well as power to your HVAC unit. Next, it's time to connect your ambient lighting if equipped. If not, you can just slide this panel back in. In this case, there's ambient lighting. The last step is to plug in both of these connectors into the central locking system as well as the air vents. Line up the trim piece and give it a good push, ensuring you are not crushing any of the wires behind it. Followed up by the delicate trim on the right hand side. And the job is complete. That is how you install a Wi-Fi antenna in your BMW. If you are looking for Wi-Fi antennas, Apple CarPlay upgrades, or Apple CarPlay activation, we sell everything at EM Performance. That will be linked down in the description and on the screen now.